The OnePlus 13T is a flagship smartphone designed to deliver an unparalleled combination of power, elegance, and efficiency. Packed with top-tier hardware and premium software optimizations, it is crafted for users who demand a fast, fluid, and feature-rich smartphone experience. With an ultra-vibrant AMOLED display, a high-performance processor, a powerful dual-camera system, and a massive battery, the OnePlus 13T aims to stand out in the competitive flagship market. At the heart of the OnePlus 13T's immersive experience is its 6.3-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution. The sharp, vibrant colors and deep contrast levels make every image pop with clarity. Whether you're streaming high-resolution content, gaming, or simply scrolling through social media, the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth interactions. The display also supports HDR10+, delivering an enhanced viewing experience with improved dynamic range and color accuracy. Thanks to high peak brightness, the OnePlus 13T remains visible even in direct sunlight, making it a great companion for outdoor use. The curved glass edges and ultra-thin bezels create an immersive viewing experience, giving the device a premium aesthetic. OnePlus has perfected the balance between form and function, ensuring that the display isn't just beautiful, but also power-efficient, dynamically adjusting the refresh rate based on the content to optimize battery life. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering blazing fast performance and ultra-responsive multitasking. Whether you're playing graphically intense games, editing videos, or running multiple apps simultaneously, this chipset ensures seamless performance without lags or slowdowns. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, the OnePlus 13T offers effortless multitasking, allowing users to switch between apps instantly. The UFS 4.0 storage technology further enhances speed, ensuring fast data transfers, reduced loading times, and smoother app performance. For gamers, the advanced cooling system keeps the device cool even under heavy loads, allowing for longer and more comfortable gaming sessions without thermal throttling. OnePlus has taken smartphone photography to the next level with its versatile dual-camera system. The 50MP main sensor comes equipped with optical image stabilization, OIS, ensuring sharp and detailed shots, even in low-light conditions. The large sensor size allows for better light capture, resulting in improved dynamic range and vibrant colors. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or night shots, the OnePlus 13T delivers pro-level photography with every click. The 50MP telephoto lens provides enhanced zoom capabilities, allowing users to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity. The AI-powered image processing optimizations bring out lifelike colors, reduce noise in low-light conditions, and ensure stunning portrait effects with natural depth of field blurring. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera ensures sharp and vibrant self-portraits, complete with AI enhancements for natural skin tones and enhanced details. With 4K video recording and AI stabilization, content creators and vloggers can capture high-quality videos with professional-grade clarity. To support its powerful hardware, the OnePlus 13T comes with a huge 6,200 mAh battery, ensuring all-day power, even under heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or using navigation, this battery can handle it all without frequent recharges. When you do need to recharge, OnePlus 80W fast charging technology can power up the phone from 0 to 100% in just under 40 minutes. The AI-based battery optimization also ensures longevity by reducing battery wear over time, keeping the device's power efficiency at peak levels for years to come. Running on Oxygen OS 15, based on Android 15, the OnePlus 13T provides one of the smoothest and most customizable Android experiences available. Oxygen OS is known for its near-stock feel, but with added enhancements, giving users maximum control over their device's functionality. The OnePlus 13T is a complete package, offering top-of-the-line performance, a brilliant display, an advanced camera system, and a massive battery. With its Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, stunning AMOLED screen, and Oxygen OS optimizations, it delivers a flagship experience at an impressive value. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who loves premium smartphones, the OnePlus 13T is a powerhouse designed to meet all your needs. It blends speed, efficiency, and style into one impressive device, making it a top contender in the flagship smartphone market. What do you think about the OnePlus 13T? Is it the perfect upgrade for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Explorer, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech content and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.